Alright guys, I just came, last night I made a sale. It was for some headphones, some Sony's MDR ZX 110. But um I had them. See, what I do is sometimes I got it from BJ's Max actually, and actually I posted some stuff from BJ because I got membership there, so I post things from there, from the site on the eBay, and if it sells, I know I can just pick it up and ship it off. So that's what happened last night with these pair of headphones. So I'm just coming out of BJ's now. So these I just purchased for $10 and sold them for 18.47, I think, but didn't make any really of a good profit on it because I didn't check the price, make sure I was making a profit, because I should have updated, because I use SKU to update my prices and stuff, like stuff that I probably stocks that some of these places go websites have. But I end up pretty much profiting about $2 some change. But actually, these are my second pair I sold. I sold a pair last month, and now one this month. So I'm assuming these are going once a month type thing, selling with these headphones. That's what seems to me. So don't seem really worth getting them, unless, I don't know, spring coming up. Some people may want headphones, so they could get price starting to buy a pair. I gotta check on that. Probably stock up on some headphones.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Anyways, I got them $9.99. I didn't really make a profit off of it. Probably like $2. It's just price wrong, but that's why I'm a student for life. I changed the price on it, raised it $24.99. Let's see what happens there. So if I get that with all the, and plus I got it for free shipping. So with all that said, no, you know what? I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna put with shipping. They pay for shipping, and that's way I could keep the price a little lower. But I got this. I already printed out my label, so I made sure, because I already sold this last month. I already know the weight and everything, and to ship this, I think it's going to California. To ship this, it's $367, I believe I paid for shipping. So I already brought my poly bag with me. I could just slide on in here. I just drop it off at the post office.
No te preocupen, Speedy González se los trae. ¡Yepa, yepa! ¡Y arriba, arriba! ¡Ándale, arriba, arriba, yepa!
Now I'm ready to go. Just drop this off. That'll be it. Thanks for watching. Student for life, where you make mistakes and you learn from them. I just happened to look at this receipt, and I know it used to be $20, $19.99, but it's $9.99 now. So I thought it should be $9.99 plus tax, which would be 8%. But no, I see that it was been taxed. It's been taxed twice. Pretty much, I don't know if I'm tripping now, because I thought I was supposed to be paying I don't know. But there you go again. Student for life, where you make mistakes and you learn from them.